figure it out. But here, this is what I need you to add to your study sheet, right? On page 30, those formulas, and I make annotations there. And remember, in leasing, everything is always taxed 12%. No exceptions. What is never taxed? A down payment. Okay, remember that, because I will probably test you on that. It's like, hey, somebody made a down payment and makes these payments. What's the total cost? And you're going to be tempted to tax that as well. Okay, so here we go. Question 2 includes mileage charges. So this is going to get a little bit trickier. On page 33. Let's see if I can make this painless. Let's see. Michelle is returning a Toyota Corolla, which she leased for 3 years. Let's right away go ahead and just say that's 36 months. Oh, I didn't. Let's go back here. So yesterday we calculated the total paid at the end of the lease, so the total lease cost. We figured that out. Then they wanted us to calculate the residual value after tax. So we went ahead and took the car value at the beginning, times it by 0.62. Why times 0.62? Because they're telling us that at the end of the lease, it'll only be worth 62% of what you started with. So we calculated that, we times it by 1.12, and then we got our total residual value after tax. C is saying, calculate the total cost of leasing and buying the car at the end. So let's do C here. The total is basically taking your answer in A and adding the answer in B, right? So we take these two amounts, and that's how much it would cost you to lease and to buy it outright at the end of the lease. And you know why a lot of times you want to buy it at the end? Because they will tell you, if you don't, you have to pay for, you see this wear and tear, you see these scratches on the body of the car, you see the cracked panel right here. They're going to look at the whole thing and they say, if you buy it right now, you don't have to worry about those repairs. And so you're like, I don't want to pay for something that I'm not going to keep, right? And they've got you. I make them look very evil. They're not. I've purchased cars from dealerships, and a lot of them are very good. But, you know, they also have to make money. So, yeah, thanks for reminding me. That is the total. This is lease and purchase. And it's including taxes. Lease and purchase including taxes. And I'm looking at my time. I think it's going to be a bad, I don't want to start and not finish this question. So I have something else in mind.